Hi, and welcome to this Python tutorial where we will be making a canvas, which is essentially a white rectangle that can appear on a window. So the first thing we need to do is import some functions and some classes. The way we do that is with an import statement. We're going to import from the module tkinter. We're going to import everything with that asterisk. Next, we're going to define the width of the canvas and the height. So I could say the height is 700. This is very arbitrary. Next, I'm going to define a tk instance, which is an instance of the class called tk. If I were not to make a canvas and just show the window, I would call main loop and I would be done with the code. So if I run this code right now, you will see a tk instance with nothing on it. But the point of this tutorial is to add a canvas. So I just need to add 2 lines of code, and those 2 lines of code are going to be as follows. We have canvas. We need to pass the tk instance to the canvas because the canvas needs to be on another window. And then we can pass in the width as well as the height. And we can also define the background color of the canvas. This line is not quite enough to enable the canvas or allow the canvas to be visible on the tk instance. As you can see when I run the code right now, there is no canvas. So there is one more function that needs to be invoked, which is canvas.pack, which allows that canvas to show up. So now if I run the program, this is white. If I expand the window, now you can see the slight difference between the gray and the white.